Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove subscribers from your YouTube account. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website by typing youtube.com into the search bar and pressing enter. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, make sure you are signed into your account. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down and click on YouTube Studio. This is where you can manage various aspects of your YouTube channel. In YouTube Studio, look for the recent subscribers list. This section shows you the most recent people who have subscribed to your channel. Click on See All to open a full list of your subscribers. This will show you everyone who is currently subscribed to your channel. Browse through the list and find the subscriber you want to remove. Click on their name to open their profile. On the subscriber's profile page, click on the three dots. This is located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Block User. Blocking a user will remove them as a subscriber from your channel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.